Interest rates finally dropped, prices are stable, and listings are overflowing into the market. Right now, the real estate market in Surrey, Langley, and the Fraser Valley is pretty calm. It's honestly a balanced market on the whole. What's going on, everyone? My name is Razaik with Chima Real Estate Group. If you'd like anything with buying, selling, or relocating in the Fraser Valley, feel free to contact me. All of my information is in the description below, and I would be more than happy to talk to you about how I can help achieve the needs you're looking for. Let's dive into the numbers for the main market update. Let's talk about the latest and biggest news out, and that is the rate cut from the Bank of Canada. Bank of Canada dropped the overnight interest rate for the first time since March of 2022. The inflation rate has moved closer to the bank's 2% goal, coming in at 2.17% in April. Quarterly GDP numbers released last week, and they were weaker than expected. The economy grew by just 1.7% during the first 3 months of the year, increasing the likelihood of a cut. The Bank of Canada was confident that a rate cut of 25 basis points will not raise inflation. And let's be honest, it's probably not going to make a big difference in the real estate prices as well. It's a start, and that's what's important to keep in mind. RBC is predicting 100 basis points of rate cuts this year, so there's cautious optimism that there might be another cut of 25 basis points on July 24th. As the next couple months unfold, we'll get a clearer picture on how the continuous rate cuts affect the market if that does occur. Now, when we look at the prices of real estate, on a whole, they've stabilized the last 3 months. The benchmark price for a single-family home right now is $1,530,000, up 0.2% from April and 2.9% from May. The benchmark price for a townhouse is $850,000, down 0.03%, which is like $25, but it's up 3.4% from last year. And the benchmark price for a condo is $555,000, which is down just 0.1% from last month and up 2.9% from May 2023. Now, let's look at sales and listings. Right now, the inventory levels in the Fraser Valley are at the highest level in almost 5 years, since September 2019. The increase in supply over the past few months has also contributed to prices stabilizing. Active listings, which are current homes for sale, increased by 8% from last month, 42% from last year, and is 20% above the 10-year average. When buyers are out and about looking at homes, they have options. On the other side of the spectrum is sales, which has remained seasonally slow with 1,517 homes sold in May, which is 3% up from April, but 21% below the 10-year average. Slower seasonal sales has helped build inventory levels to the point where it's created a balanced market for home buyers and sellers.